Hi, I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties, and today it's all about Kenmore. Kenmore is located at the very north end of Lake Washington. Easy commute to either the east side or into Seattle. You can split the difference. And you can bowl at Kenmore Lanes, where you can visit Kenmore Camera. And you can wash your car at Kenmore Car Wash. And you can fly with Kenmore Air out of one of the largest seaplane-only airports in the country. And you can live in Kenmore. This 4-bedroom home, located in the very desired Northshore School District, is for sale. Come on and take a look. So if you're looking for a home with an easy commute to either side of the lake, or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.